Extra battery. Wallet. Got some new shit for the car. Alright guys, a quick little unboxing of the Febreze car odor eliminator. Pretty good. I don't know. Nothing really special, it's just a fucking odor eliminator, car freshener. Let's see if I can get this shit fucking opened. Times like this I need, oh there we go. That easy. It smells pretty good. What do you think about this smell?
It's alright.
It's alright. Like you gotta pop it like a cherry. Pop. How good is this food right now?
It's alright, BK.
What you get?
Fucking average, bro. Normal, you feel me? Shit I get roasted for. Chicken fries,
I got nuggets with buffalo sauce. Only thing to go for in BK, realistically. Got some pink lemonade. And I got this nice little crown. And crown gang. Eating like a king, you feel me, Burger King?
First bite. Fuck with it. It's good as fuck. Cool.
Alright, so we're here. This looks like probably an abandoned train station. Well, it is an abandoned train station or some shit. It's an abandoned something. That's what we're gonna explore. Let's not die when we do this. I'll try this shit at home. Oh man. Let's not die. Oh. Broken bridge. This looks pretty fucking cool. This broken bridge out here. This view is actually pretty fucking sick. Wow. Look at this.
Oh. Right here. Right there. Or nah. Oh my.
This actually looks fucking sick.
Tags are dope. Let me take a snap.
I don't know if you can hear me right now, but dude, I'm kind of fucking scared walking on this, dude. I'm kind of fucking scared. Oh my god, what if I fall? Jesus Christ. Look at this. What if I fall into that? This doesn't look very secure for my fat ass. Jesus. This is fucking sick. This is really fucking sick. Littering. Whoa! I was fucking with this river. He is disrespected. That's a little rattly. Holy shit, dude! If someone's bait here, they'll probably cry. Jesus, dude, it's just so fucking shaky, man. Oh my god. Hi, we made it alive somehow. And what the fuck? How are we getting through here? Oh. Yeah, I was like, how are we getting through here? And there's a fucking big ass hole right there. Shout out to the plugs, whoever wrote that. What's down here? Is this a rape cellar? Look at that.
Is there a way down there?
It looks like fucking just grime and shit.
Oh, I'm about to piss in there anyways.
Before you piss. Tags are fucking
toilet right there.
Yo, this is gonna be a dope ass fucking vlog.
No, we're coming back for a flip too. Dip out.
Oh man.
Yo, the whole wall tagged. Dip. Oh my god, that tag right there. That shit's lit. That right there. That was dope.
Alright, let's go under this. Jeez. This is fucking dope. And there's more shit down there. Yeah, man. Let's just this is kind of dope. What we have around here. We got some nice tags. Honestly, this is some nice work. Realistically, really nice work for those who are out here. Oh shit! Almost tripped on that fucking log or something down there. A lot of spray paint. What the hell is that? This is fucking dope. This is dope. Pose real quick. And the Preem. Oh my god, that shit looks dope. You're taking a flick right there. You're gonna screenshot this, bro. That shit look clean when you pose right there real quick. But dude, wow.
Oh, these tags are actually dope.
Yeah, I know. Shout out to whoever tagged these. These are actually really good work. Wow, this is fucking. It's insane. This is pretty fucking dope. We're going into like the wilderness right now.
Bro, these tags are fucking dope.
Wow. I wish I had a better camera to show you a nice view, but fucking the tags out here. What is this, a water tower type thing?
Are you not seeing these?
I know the tags are fucking dope, but dude, this shit's hot, dude. Holy shit! Look at our camera. Look how dope this shit looks.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's on point.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Tag right here is on point.
Yeah, it is. Whoever did this fucking spazzed. Oh. Let's walk around. Let's see what's in there. Bro, it's so cold. Oh yeah. We had to get this for the vlog. What the hell is in there? Looks dope. Is that iced? I don't have ice skates. Yo! This is dope, but I don't have ice skates. Look at this, guys. Holy shit.
I'm going in there.
This is dope. I would go in there, but look, it's fucking all icy. Should I go in there?
You heard that echo?
Yo, that sounds so dope. Ah, that shit I do for YouTube. Ah. Look at this fucking hole.
Get out right there, this door.
Yo, let's get out. Oh my god. How deep is this shit, realistically?
Not deep.
Dude, I'm fucking scared. What if I fall? This is honestly fucking dope. Where's my phone? I need to snap this. So currently vlogging right now. Holy shit. The echo in here sounds fucking insane. Next vlog's about to be lit, guys. So currently vlogging right now. Holy shit. The echo in here
It
cracked?
sounds fucking insane.
Next vlog's about to be lit, guys. Yo, should you jump? Oh shit,
Yo.
Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here.
fucking insane.
Next vlog's about to be lit, guys. So currently vlogging right now. Holy shit. The echo in here sounds fucking Nigga, you're gooch. Next vlog's about to be lit, guys. So currently vlogging right now. Nigga, just cross. Trust, you're good.
Dogs, I can hear you cracking, bro.
Just cross.
Stop recording me, nigga.
I mean a bitch.
Sketchy. Dog.
But this place sounds
I'm not
fucking...
trying to get wet.
Dude, this is fucking trippy. The sound, holy. Woo! Woo! Guys, listen to this. Woo! 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 This is fucking insane. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. That's if I can get my ass out. Oh shit, I almost tripped. Guys, that shit was actually pretty fucking dope. I'm not gonna lie, man. That shit was nice. Look at the I feel like I cut myself, but fucking nice little view of that bridge that we just came from. Look at that that tag's actually pretty cool. Whoever went down there and did their thing down there. It's actually pretty fucking dope. Barbed wire, I don't know, man. This is a prison.
I see a lot of footsteps.
Yeah, there's definitely been a lot of people around here. Man, all this fucking graffiti is dope, honestly. They really do their thing out here. Oh yeah, facts. That shit probably look like it's fucking bad. Bro, what
These
the?
are nice.
I wonder what the fuck's on this other side of the wall. Whoa. That shit is dope. But you know what's crazy? Because it looks even better on camera. As weird as it sounds. It's usually better in person, but it looks dope as hell in the camera.
Everyone's hot.
Yeah, hell yeah. Holy fuck. Whoever did, like, I get props to graffiti artists, man. They're fucking dope. Oh my god. That shit look dope.
What?
That pink one in gray. Oh my god. That shit really is fucking nice.
If you guys know these taggers, let us know.
Yep, Boston area.
I mean, they're probably worldwide. These are hot.
Yeah, this is a dope ass spot. Bunch of tags. I wonder. Oh, you can get on the train. Yo, you can get on the train tracks over here. Look, peep.
Yeah, down there.
Let's go check this out first. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yo. Yeah, right there. That's just fucking shaky. There's people in there? Oh my god, we're just about to go on the train track. Let's see if we get hit by a train. I've been working on a railroad. This is dope. I like this. Whew, this is pretty dope. I got like the background. This is fucking dope, dude. CIA killed off JFK? Whoa, look at that. Look what it says. CIA killed off JFK. We have to get closer for that.
That's facts, too.
Smurf.
We know.
Fuck. This vlog's about to be dumb lit. That's a fact.
CIA, criminals in action.
Criminals in action.
Oh my god, I'm hot.
CIA killed off JFK. Holy shit. Yo, what if this a fucking train just comes and goes? Oh look, a train. Right. Yeah, right as we're walking away, there's a train. Purple line. We're walking away, a train comes. Ooh, we could have gotten fucking ran over.
I see some dope tags in here.
This is so sketchy, guys. Holy shit. This is fucking, oh my god, this place looks fucking sick. Dude, this is so dope for like shots, bro. This is fucking insane, guys. I literally don't have any knowledge of this, but to me, this looks like an abandoned train station. We got some stairs apparently. Improvising, look what I'm doing. Anyone hungry? Reese's?
Fuck no jumper.
Fuck no jumper?
Yeah.
That's disrespectful. I fuck with no jumper. What?
Fuck no jumper.
I fuck with no jumper.
Shout out to Teddy. Fuck Young Crosby.
I should leave my shit here, but I don't have any markers or spray paint. Super dope, guys. Holy shit. It's a bunch of dopes. Oh, what the fuck? I'm always catching on to something. This just looks super dope. I don't know what the fuck these things are. Maybe like pieces to some old ass generators and stuff. Boiler room maybe over there. Look at that. Yo, imagine crawling in there. That looks fucking scary. Tags are pretty dope. Oh, this door was busted down. Look. Jeez. Hope I don't get into the spider. Fucking pretty crucial shit. Fontos blazing. Oh. Pretty creepy in here. Again, guys, my lights are fucking garbage. No smoking, but I smoked that fucking pack. Smoked that fire. Lights? Yo, the lights work? Taco! I left the noose here. One who hung himself. Go! Looks like a fucking fireplace. Holy fuck.
What's out here?
Yeah, guys, fuck that. It looks like a pretty good spot, but that shit's all broken up. Not even gonna risk it. Holy shit, shit's better. Looks all wobbly. This shit's fucking dope. It's all wobbly, you hear this?
Should I jump in?
Should you? Yo, look at that. This is so old school. Holy shit. That is old school as fuck.
We have to look up and see when it was made. When it.
Who turned the lights off? What is it, zombies? Look, look.
Someone said. Oh shit.
I have to be careful, huh?
It's right here. Oh, weird.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's sketchy down here. Oh my god, that tag is fucking dope. Holy shit. That's so good.
Oh, shit.
Yo, look at that
Mind
shit.
blowing.
That shit is sick.
So dark. Oh, Illuminati eyes? Look at that, guys. You might not be able to see it.
You can right here, over there.
Oh my god! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Dude, that's so good. What? Dude, this is probably like one of the nastiest tags I've ever seen in person. Fuck, holy shit. Unreal. This just looks so fucking unreal. This just looks really fucking dope. Bro, this is fucking insane, guys. There's really so many talented like artists here, man. It's really fucking crazy. Woo. Hope we don't fall. Woo, woo, woo. Holy shit. This is stupid. The roof. The roof.
That should all break down. Oh, that's it. Lucerne.
Hoopla. Lucerne does his thing.
I heard of it.
I know where the center is. Oh shit. Good. Oh. I remember I'd be fucking scared. Look at this is actually a pretty long drop, guys. Holy shit.
What's wrong with it? It isn't worth it.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Going over there?
Hell yeah. Woo. 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 Made it through that death trap.
Yo, I have so many ideas.
Yeah, I know. This is literally so fucking cool, guys. Wow. Just look. Generator. Yeah, man. So much cool shit. I think I might just call it a day here. On our way back. Hopefully we don't kill ourselves on the way back. I think I'm gonna call it a day here. It's pretty cool. Discovery. I'm gonna do drugs and then go to school. It's been David Figueroa and peace the fuck out.